In this Sailing Doodles, we get some last beach time before setting off on our 1,500-mile sail back to the States, and we welcome our new crew. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby and Taylor as we set sail for the Caribbean. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. In the previous video, we installed some new boat parts and then had a beach fire before saying goodbye to Punky. Last couple days.
Yeah, I know. It's hard to believe.
I know. It was our last day out at anchor, so we decided to make the best of it and head over to one of our favorite beaches, Trunk Bay on St. John. You really can't beat the pristine white beaches and beautiful water. Of course, it wouldn't be a day at the beach without having to go rescuing your dinghy from floating away. The USVI often gets overlooked when compared to the BVI, but you really can't beat the beautiful white sand beaches of St. John. We left St. John behind and headed over to St. James Island for our last night out on the water. It has a beautiful anchorage, but it's a private island, formerly owned by the notorious Jeffrey Epstein. We have tried 3 times now to order pizza from the pizza boat out here. Well, 2. This will be our 3rd time. We have high hopes that we'll actually be able to do it this time.
I sure hope so. I've been excited for this and let down so many times. Let this be the day.
She has this habit of like keeping drinks and food that she thinks she'll use later, and then she leaves them here, and then like, well, she's already cleaned it up now, but there's coffee everywhere. She's like, oh yeah, heat it up later.
If you had given me 2 seconds to clear things that might fall over before helping you with the dinghy.
Pizza pie, naughty dogs, 1-6. Uh-oh.
Really?
Pizza pie, naughty dogs on 1-6. Let me try them on the phone. Hey there, I was seeing if I make an order. Can we get a Georgia Peach pizza? Sure. Yeah, I'll do that, thanks. Alright, bye-bye. Well, they didn't answer the radio, but we got them on the phone. We ordered the pizza. 35 minutes. We'll have pizza delivered by dinghy to the boat.
Woo, I'm starving.
Yeah, we're hungry. It's pretty unique ordering pizza from a boat and then having it delivered by dinghy.
Wow, this looks amazing. Got jalapeno poppers.
What do we got here? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Kickin' chicken.
It's pretty cool. I mean, getting pizza delivered to your boat, you know, why not? Pretty good. Lunch and dinner delivered to the boat.
Can't beat that. These pizza popper things are the most amazing
Yeah, pretty good.
things.
It's like bacon, jalapeno, cream cheese, pizza dough.
Oh.
Since we're about to go on a pretty long sail, I'm going to clean the hull a little bit. Actually the anti-fouls work pretty well. There's very little growth on there, but there's a few spots where it has it. So before I jump in though, one thing you want to do before you clean the hull is wear earplugs, because like the crap that you scrape off, like the little worms and all that crap that you scrape off the hull, will try to find a new place to go, and you can often get an ear infection from it. So wear earplugs when you scrape your hull. Before the sun set, it was time to do some work. The anti-fouling was still doing its job. There was just a few spots, mostly on the waterline, that needed some scraping.
Let's go. Time to pull up the anchor.
All right, we're about to pull up anchor like the lady says. It's our last night on anchor in the US Virgin Islands. We're heading to the marina. So nice little spot, a little rolly last night. Not the best anchorage we stayed in here, but time to get moving. Alright, it's still 4 days before we're supposed to leave, but we have a lot of stuff to do. We got our new radar, we got our new sock, and our new spinnaker. And we've already started deflating the paddle boards and cleaning and getting rid of crap. So we got a lot of stuff to do. Will you lay on the other side of this thing? It was better to deflate the boards and store them down below rather than on deck for a 1,500-mile passage. It was basically Christmas on the boat with a lot more gear being delivered. It's a nice sock. Precision Sales was nice enough to send us a brand new sock to go with our used spinnaker we bought from Quantum Sales. Alright, so this is an A3 spinnaker. Means it's made out of a little bit thicker material than your regular A1 spinnaker, which is what I've flown before, and it's a little flatter, which means you can take it into the wind. It's not as good straight downwind, but it's better a little bit into the wind. It's for like heavier, not medium wind. Nice and cold out of the freezer. Ready? Want some of this?
Oh, I would love some. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
I don't have much more than this, so trust me, you just have one shot each. All right, here's to sailing to Annapolis.
Yeah, just sailing to Annapolis. There you go.
You get it Wednesday morning, 6 o'clock, we all do a shot. And then we untie the lines and go.
There you go.
Cheers.
Well, it's our last bit of real socializing here.
Yeah.
We've got crew flying in tomorrow, and so it's better to kind of quarantine them against everybody else. So that means we got to quarantine ourselves when they get here too, since we'll all be kind of together. So Steve and Loretta, who you've met many times now, we're gonna go hang out on their boat, and one last dinner together. Yeah, so our boat is right there, and they're at the end of that dock. So I have my Sherpa bring in a cooler of beer.
Knock, knock.
Bang on it some more real quick.
My hammer.
Bang on it some more. Oh no!
Got that on camera.
I did it on purpose. It was a nice little way to say goodbye to the Virgin Islands.
Guys, cheers. Last cocktail party in the island. There you go. Let's do that.
Well, today still getting prep work going. Got the new radar here. So first I have to pull the old one down. Different brands and everything. I'm not sure if it'll work, like if I have to run a new cable or not. I'll have to wait till I get up there and see what the old cable looks like. If it's the same kind of connector, I don't know. Hopefully it is. But take the other one down. It's great. These new radars use a lot less power. I mean, I think this thing's rated at 20 watts, which, you know, that's nothing. So it'll be nice having a pretty low power radar that we can leave on all the time, you know, see other boats and weather and everything.
It wasn't too hard to install, and I actually ended up just running a cable on the outside of the mast. I would go back later and fix that.
All right, so everything's working. Radar's working. I can even get it to display AIS on the weather radar, and it's got different modes. I can go either harbor, offshore, or with weather, and it's only uses like 20 watts. So why not keep this thing going the whole time we're going? So it should be a nice little tool. I didn't install the cabling on the inside of the mast just because that's really hard to do. So I think I'll, once we get back somewhere, I'll let a professional do that eventually. But so now I just got to button everything up and put it back together, and we're good to go. All right, so we have some guests on the boat. They're actually not guests, they're new crew. Woohoo! All right, so over here we have Sydney. Cheers.
Hey,
cheers to you. And we have David, you've seen him before.
Hey, hey.
All right, and of course, Taylor.
It's me.
And so we are gonna have a good sail, maybe 8-9 days back to the mainland. Got a couple days, so you gotta do some work on the boat.
Yep,
But
yep.
Good to have you guys here.
Sweet. Cheers.
There you go.
Thanks for coming.
Cheers. We'll do a little bit more like an interview with them to, you know, you can figure out who they really are in a minute. But for right now, let's get to work.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible. They get lots of perks like early videos and discounts on merchandise.